Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about personal pronouns. Pronouns are words that can take the place of nouns. We use personal pronouns in place of the person, people, or things we are talking about. For example, Kenardo can hardly wait for school to end. Kenardo and school are nouns, and we can replace those nouns with the personal pronouns he and it. He can hardly wait for it to end. Another example, Ashley and Kevin are studying science and social studies. Ashley and Kevin and science and social studies can be replaced by the pronouns they and them. They are studying them. A personal pronoun refers to the one speaking, the one spoken to, or the one spoken about. Here are the first person pronouns. I and me are the singular pronouns, and we and us are the plural pronouns. For example, what should I wear to school today? I is the first person pronoun in this sentence. It's also a singular pronoun. It represents the one speaking. Another example. We are so grateful for your help, Miss Scott. We is a first person pronoun in this sentence, and it's also a plural pronoun. It represents the ones speaking. English also has second person pronouns. You is a singular pronoun, but it can also be a plural pronoun. For example, can you help me with my homework? You in this sentence is a second person pronoun. It's also a singular pronoun. It represents the one spoken to. Another example. Are you ready for story time? You is a second person pronoun in this sentence, but it's in the plural form. It represents the one spoken to.
Once upon a time.
Now, let's look at the third person pronouns. She, he, it are the singular third person pronouns, and they, them, it are the plural third person pronouns. For example, he said that they would meet us on the court. He is a third person pronoun in this sentence, and it's in the singular form. They is also a third person pronoun in this sentence, but it is in the plural form, more than one. He represents the one spoken about, and they represents the ones spoken about.
Time to get serious. Time to get serious!
Let's practice. Replace each bolded word with a personal pronoun. Are you ready? Let's go!
Complete the mission.
After school, Kenardo, Jasmine, and O'Dane will eat at Pears. Time is going. Time's up, and the answer is after school they will eat at it. Victor charged out the room once Mr. Redwood announced class was dismissed. Victor can be changed to he. Nastasia and I have been friends since kindergarten. The answer is we. Kellyanne wishes to go to the restroom. answer is she. She wishes to go to the restroom. Mr. McFarlane gave me and my friends a ride to the popular restaurant. What's the answer? Mr. McFarlane gave us a ride to the popular restaurant. How about this one? On Fridays, Piers is usually packed with high school students. High school students. Which pronoun can we use to replace high school students? The answer is them. High school students can be replaced with the pronoun them. The line to the cashier is very long. The line to the cashier. Which pronoun can we use to replace the group of words? We can replace them with the pronoun it. Great job, guys! Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye! Mwah!